and full of love and kindness and maybe some of the best food in the entire world. And, you know, I want to pay my respects to the great king of Thailand. No matter how many times that you told me you wanted to leave,
I will never leave you.
no matter how many prayers that you told me you still couldn't read, no matter how many nights that you lied wide awake to the side of the pouring rain, where'd you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Days go by, the night's on fire. Tell me what you care to stay alive. Tell me what you care to prove your eyes. Crash, crash, oh, let it all burn. It's no matter how many lives I live, I'll never regret. There is a fire inside, and it's starting to rise, about to explode into flames. Where's your God? Where's your God? Where's your God? Judge for my sins. Do you want? Do you really want me? Want me dead? All I to live a life. Tell me what you can to save a life. Tell me what you can to prove. How's everybody feeling? You okay out there? Can you turn your heads up so I can see everybody?
Yeah.
I just want to see all these crazy people. How's everybody feeling? Hello!
Hello!
Long hair, don't care. What's up, brother? I see you. I see all of you wonderful people out there. Good to see you. guys are amazing. How many people? Don't cry. Hey, let's see it. You wanna come here? Come here. Where are you from? Where are you from? Come here. Crazy. You guys are crazy. Where are you from? Berlin?
We know Pat.
Poland. Poland. Nice to see you. People from all over the world. How many people are from Thailand here tonight? Come over here. What do you say shout for? Turn that spotlight on there. What's your name?
Pat.
And where are you from?
Thailand.
What city?
Bangkok.
Bangkok in the house. Where are you from? And what's your name?
Poppy.
Hi, Poppy. Okay, I'm gonna play another song, you ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Sure.
What should we play? Huh? Alibi? What should we play? Any ideas? To kill? Attack? From yesterday? Kill somebody else? Up in the air? Make your mind up. What we should do? Let's make a video and then put it up on YouTube, okay? Come over here with me, guys. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna introduce Bangkok to the rest of the world right now, okay? Stand over here next to me. Yeah, here. Stand over there. On the count of 3, say Bangkok. How do you say Bangkok in your language? Bangkok. Sounds better. Yeah, Bangkok. Okay. On the count of 3, say okay. 1, 2. Okay, you say that, and then I'm going to translate it for the Yankees. For the Gaijin. How do you say? What do you say for white man? Salam. Hey, what's up? I'm Jared. And just hanging out with a couple of friends of mine here. How you doing?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
What about you? You okay? You sure about that? Okay. So I want to introduce you to, we should probably introduce the rest of the world to our friends that are with us tonight, don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's do it. What do you say? 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! For all you Farang out there, that's Bangkok, Thailand, motherfuckers. Alright, one more song. This song is called The Kill. Come over here. Or you can sit down right there. What do you want, a selfie? course. It's never easy, huh?
Let me take a selfie!
Send it to a friend. Are you ready to sing loud? And I gotta say, this is our first time. We never expected so many people to show up. We're really grateful. Thank you for coming out tonight. You know, this morning I visited an orphanage, and then I went to see the protest in the square. I don't know if that's, you know, how you feel about that. I'm just a visitor, you know, I mean, that's your business. But I wanted to see what was going on. Has anybody gotten out in the streets and protested at all? Or do you leave that to other people? Just a pain in the ass causing traffic? Anyway, I was over there listening to people give speeches, and you know, it's interesting to see democracy take place. But I gotta say, you know, having come here over 10 years ago and coming back, I see nothing but signs of an amazing, an incredible and inspiring culture and society coming to life and fulfilling dreams. And taking your place, your rightful place as truly a special people on this planet. You guys are absolutely wonderful, and I'm so proud to be amongst you. Are you ready to sing? What if I wanted to break? Laugh it all off in your face. What would you do? What if I fell to the floor? Couldn't take this anymore. What would you do? I wanted to fight back for the rest of my life. What would you do? Get your hand up, wave it back and forth. You say